Okay, and welcome to Screencast number 2. I'm Nicole Jarrett. I'm going to talk about customizing some common tools on Adobe Acrobat Pro. I've watched quite a few tutorials on creating forms, specifically referencing a course on lynda.com, creating forms with Claudia McHugh, very informative, and then also a document reference on customizing some of the common tools. As I started watching the video, she added a couple of custom tools which made navigating the program a lot easier, but there were some that she just did without referencing, like a marquee zoom tool. So I looked outside and found another document about customizing some common tools, and I'll just show you the images of both of these sites. First, and I'm using the Open Broadcaster software again to create the MP4 for this video. And here is, I got a subscription to lynda.com, and this is the course on creating forms with Claudia McHugh. And I haven't watched the whole thing, but it's been very informative. And also the other reference was this article, actually this blog, on customizing Acrobat Common Tools. Specifically, the one that brought me to this site was, I'll get down to it, was actually creating let me not try and locate it in here, I'll just show you how to do it. So I have a document here, a PDF, and it is actually not in editing mode right now. It's actually in preview mode. But if I go over to interactive objects, and the select object tool will make it really handy for me to jump back between editing and preview mode. So I can actually just drag this over here to my toolbar. Let's try that again. Drag this over here to my toolbar. So then when I am actually going to go into Forms and Edit Form, I'm in here, and if I actually select selection tool, actually, if I'm in preview mode, will allow me to actually select the objects, and then the hand will bring me back. So back and forth, and back and forth. Now, the zoom feature, you can see that I actually already have these here, but they were not there. I have two zoom tools that I added. I have the marquee and the dynamic zoom tool, which are now there, and they were not before. So obviously you can see how I deleted those, but this is where I found in the article here, you actually want to go into the toolbar and right click, and then it will actually allow you to select and add those functions to the toolbar, which is very nice because a lot of times I've found as I was following these tutorials, and I'm sure this will come in handy in the future, that I will want to have the ability to zoom in specifically on a specific area. So specifically the, well, I'll show the dynamic one because that, I'm just using the mouse or the scroll on my mouse to zoom in and out. I can use the hand tool and actually also hit the control button and scroll in and out. That will work the same way, but it is actually a lot nicer to just be able to do it with the mouse rather than hold on to the keyboard. Now also I can use the dynamic, or excuse me, the marquee zoom to actually zoom in on a specific area, which is helpful. If I want to go into editing mode, this is really where I found that I wanted to use it most, and you'll see me actually using this in the next tutorial, the next screencast that I'm going to do. I'm going to continue and show you some of the things that I learned. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it.